In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a proxy to the Brave browser. Let's get started by launching the Brave browser on your device. This is your first step in configuring the browser to work with a proxy. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, as this process will require communication with external servers. Once you have Brave open, look towards the top right corner. You will see the main menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Settings. This is crucial because the Settings menu is where you can control most of the browser's functionality. Accessing these settings allows you to configure your browser to suit your personal or professional needs. With the Settings menu open, you'll notice a sidebar on the left-hand side. Locate and click on the option labeled System. This section is essential for managing how your browser interacts with your device's network settings. By adjusting these preferences, you ensure that Brave can be optimized for performance and security. Now, in the System menu, find the option that says Open your computer's proxy settings and click on it. This will direct you to a new window where you can configure proxy settings specifically for your computer. It's important to note that changes here affect not just Brave but all browsers and apps on your device that use system proxy settings. Scroll down to the section titled Manual Proxy Setup. Here you will see an option that says Set Up next to Use a Proxy Server. Click on the Setup button. This step is important because it allows you to manually configure a proxy, giving you control over how your browser connects to the internet. Manual setup can be particularly useful if you're using a specific proxy for work or to access geo-restricted content. At this point, you'll notice a switch that you need to toggle to on. This action activates the manual proxy settings, enabling you to input the necessary details. Toggling this switch is a small but critical step because it tells your system to start considering the proxy settings you're about to enter. Now it's time to enter the proxy IP address and port number. These details should be provided by your proxy service provider. Make sure you enter them accurately, as incorrect details will prevent the connection from working. Once you've entered the information, click Save. This ensures your changes are stored and applied. It's worth noting that using a proxy can enhance your privacy and security by masking your IP address. This step is vital for people who need an additional layer of protection online or are accessing the internet from restricted areas. And there you have it. You've successfully added a proxy to your Brave browser. If you followed along and completed each step, your browser should now connect through the proxy server you've set up. This can help improve your online privacy and access to content. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you need to make changes in the future. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to explore more of our guides for tips on optimizing your browsing experience. Until next time, happy browsing.